Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Lizardmen in Blood Bowl. Lizardmen teams are a unique blend of brute force and surprising speed, making them a formidable opponent on the pitch. Your Saurus blockers are incredibly strong, boasting a strength of 4, while your nimble skinks can zip across the field with a movement of 8. Understanding how to leverage these distinct player types is key to mastering the team and dominating your opponents. When setting up your Lizardmen team, strategically place 3 Saurus blockers on the line of scrimmage to absorb hits and create openings. Your skinks should be positioned wide or deep, ready to exploit gaps or receive the kick. On offense, form a protective cage around your ball-carrying skink using your Saurus players. Defensively, your Saurus form a solid wall, aiming to control the middle of the field and funnel opponents into unfavorable positions. On offense, your Saurus blockers are your battering rams, clearing paths and creating crucial blocking opportunities. Once the path is clear, your agile skinks, with their impressive movement of 8, can dart through gaps to carry the ball and score touchdowns. Remember to always keep at least one Saurus close to your ball-carrying skink to provide a protective screen. This combination of strength and speed is the cornerstone of a successful Lizardmen drive. Defensively, your Saurus blockers form an impenetrable wall, using their strength of 4 to control the line and disrupt opponent advances. Deploy your skinks to mark opposing receivers and apply pressure to the ball carrier, forcing difficult decisions. Focus your Saurus attacks on removing key opposing players to gain a numerical advantage. Finally, remember to manage your team's rerolls wisely, especially when attempting crucial skink dodges or Saurus blocks, to maximize your chances of success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.